internet video viewing world, and welcome to a box opening video of an item I received. And let's open it up here. Inside the box we have bubble wrap, and we have the Vizo EZSurf Fanless notebook cooler. And on the bottom of the box it gives a website, www.vizo.com.tw. And on the side of the box it gives the different colors it's available in. It's available in an all black, an orange, a silver, and a white. NCL 010BG or NCL 010BO, NCL 010SG, and NCL 010SW. And on the top of the box is EZSurf Fanless Notebook Cooler. Easy to carry, easy to set up, easy to use. And also on the front, there's a little sticker. Says that fits up to 14 to 17 inch notebook computers. And on the box, on the back of the box, it gives some product highlights. Let's see, compact in size, fits 14 to 17 inch notebook coolers, aluminum heatsink body with heat absorbing material for supreme thermal conduction and dissipation, reduces temperature of your notebook, PC for the best performance, patented curve based design, allows simple angle adjustability, ergonomic design angle for easy typing, space saving, lightweight, and easy to carry. Gives specifications here. The dimensions 264 by 100 by 36 millimeter. The material is aluminum and plastic. There is no power required, no noise level. Gives the color options, black, silver. Even though on the side there's orange and white. And then compatibility, 14 to 17 inch notebook computer, and the weight is 260 grams. And the package includes the fanless notebook cooler and heat absorbing material, and lists how it works. Basically like a seesaw, put your notebook on there and there you go. Kind of gives a little, the heat goes out from, there you go. And let's open it up, see what's inside. And take off the plastic. Looks like at the bottom there's a couple tabs. Just pull those out. This gives easy 3-step installation. Peel off one side of the film. Gently reverse, place material on top of the cooler, and remove upper protection. Well, let's get it out here. And plastic lid and empty box. And let's see. is it? Looks like this would go, you'd peel this off, put it right here, and there you have it. It's, this side is solid, this side is on the back is open. And let's get back here, zoom out a little bit. You can see side is open. It's probably just lay down like that, put your laptop on there, it'll angle it, and there you have it. The Vizo EZSurf Fanless Notebook Cooler. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, and I'll have more videos to follow. Thank you.